The title of this artwork is Turning Point. Its main function is to be a wayfinder, to help guide people crossing this vast intersection to know where the entrance to the station is. It stands as a modern woman and a celebration of history. The artwork was initially inspired by the two-truck drive that was part of the Baltimore-Potomac Railroad that went through here in the 1920s. When I was asked to do this proposal, I was asked to really take a good look at the Ardwick-Ardmore Road neighborhood. It's just a deep history. Thomas Huntsler was an artist that helped initiate the community to grow. He was an artist and an educator and a major force in the Black Renaissance movement. He designed and built his home. When I saw his home, you look at the beautiful porch that he built, and of course, first thing I thought was summer cocktails on the porch, people wearing the fashion of the day. Fashions then were tall, slim, columnar, tiered, and bejeweled. This artwork kind of is a mashup of fashion, architecture, ornamental motifs, the machine age, but also from contemporary and historic life of this community. When I was a kid and I went downtown, I loved seeing the deco ornament on the buildings back in Seattle. I always kind of looked out for them as a kid because then I knew I was downtown with the ornament on the buildings. And so, you know, this to me is kind of what rail stations did back in the day, is communicate the richness of the city. I want people to see in this work that it's kind of, as I've said, a mashup of many things, taking motifs from fashion, architecture, the machine age, ornamentation from ancient cultures, West Africa, Central America, among others, and also the jazz age, and to have it be something that people can look at day in and day out, hopefully. Celebrate the community, enjoy the intricacy and the layered information.